Hello, what we have here today is an Amazon Fire HD10. This one is a 32 gigabyte 1080. Yeah, I've just taken delivery of it. This is the packaging it came in. Typical Amazon brand in there. It's well packaged. Comes in a box, and it comes in a like cellophane wrapper. So it's well packaged. I'll just take the bag off it and take it out and have a closer look at it. Now, this one now is like I say, 32 gigabyte 1080. It's got a 1080 resolution screen on it, and judging by the weight of the box, it's quite light. It's not heavy at all. It's a good weight on it. Now this one, yeah, it says on there it's compatible with Alexa, Amazon Alexa, which is pretty handy. I'm not surprised by that, to be honest with you, because it is an Amazon tablet. So I'm surprised. It's only natural for it to be compatible with Alexa, because it's a pretty decent tablet considering the price it's currently selling for. So you can see that Amazon are hoping that anybody who purchases one of these will consider spending more when they get inside. Well, when they start using the tablet, when they start buying more of Amazon's content and things like that, the videos, the films, and the content in general, So this is what this tablet is aimed at. Anybody who's a part of the Amazon community. So if you've got Amazon Prime, this will be an ideal tablet for you. If you want to try something that it's fairly affordable, not too expensive, and if you want to give a tablet a try, you can try this before you consider purchasing a more expensive brand, But anyway, let's have a look at the back here. It says on there, fast and responsive with full HD display, designed for widescreen entertainment. Watch, listen, read and play. Any problems, just ask Alexa. Yeah, once of course it's set up and activated, if you have Alexa at home, then this will be the ideal tablet for you. It's great for the whole family. Right, the resolution of the screen is 1920 by 1200. Full 1080 HD display. So 25.6 centimeter screen, 10.1. It's Dolby Atmos compatible. It comes with it. In octa-core, dual band, AC Wi-Fi, front and rear cameras. It's got a micro SD slot on it. You can take up to a 512 gigabyte card. So as you can see on the front there, like I said, it's 32 gigabyte, but it's expandable up to 512. So it's a pretty good amount of storage on there. If you want to, if you're considering purchasing one of these yourself, then you of course could expand on that storage and store whatever you want on your own tablet. So let's just open the box, take it out to the top of the box, and have a look at it, have a look at the feel of it. I'm trying to do it with one hand there. I'm holding the camera at the same time. I suppose you can appreciate that it's not easy to do, but I'm doing it anyway. and getting the job done. Anyway, let's have a look here. It's a nice feel. It's a nice feel on it. At the moment, it's wrapped in like a plastic wrapper. Comes with a plastic wrapper. The one I've ordered now is a white, as you can see. I didn't fancy the black, the blue, or the plum. Those are the other three colours you can get. I just fancied a white. As you can see, it's a good size screen on it. It's a good size screen there. 10.1 inch. You can just see a reflection of me there, look, with the camera. As you can see, I'm holding, I'm actually recording this on a smartphone. It's, let's see if I can get this off with one hand. Should be easy enough. There we are. It's off now. Now this tablet, now, right? Before we start into it, it's not an iPad, right? So don't go expecting a screen with a fantastic resolution on it. Mind you, it's got a pretty good 1080 on it. So considering the price it's currently selling for, 1080 is pretty good. You can see it's got the Amazon branding on the back. We just see it. It's got a couple of on the bottom. It's got some information on there. Can't quite make it out, but just some general information on that. As you can see, let's have a look on the top there. On the top there, you've got the toggle switch here for the volume. That's where my thumb is. You can just see it there. That's the volume switch. Then you've got the 3.5mm jack here for the headphones or for sound. It's got a microphone there. There's the microphone. That's USB-C for charging. And that's the power on button. On the front there, you've got the camera. And you've also got one on the back. There we are. You can see the camera on the back here. But it's a nice finish on it. I quite like the finish. It's plastic, it is, but it's a nice finish on it. For this price bracket, it's a really nice looking tablet. It's quite light as well. It's not heavy. It's very easy to hold in hand, and anybody would be comfortable using one of these. Yeah, it's very pleased so far with the quality of it. There's no yeah, I'm not quibbling on the quality. It's very nice. Let's have a look, see what we got to do here. If I just give it a tap on. See what that does. What we got here? There we are, it's powered on now. As you can see, it's booting up. Probably going to ask me now to set it up. As you can see now, what's come up on there is asking you if you want to set it up. Now, what it's got is a list of languages, really. You just basically pick which one you want. So I'm going to pick English United Kingdom. We are English United Kingdom. Choose your regional format. So I'll go United Kingdom. And then on the bottom, I press the arrow on the bottom. It's asking me now to set up my Wi-Fi. So it's automatically going in for my Wi-Fi connection. So it's doing that all by itself. So I can pick which one I want. And then what I got to do now is enter my password and away to go. So basically that's it. I mean that is the tablet. I'll skip setup for now. It's asking me now, it's giving me a suggestion now, do I want to skip it or do I want to carry on? So what I will do now, I'll cut this video short. I'll reconnect my connection, carry it on through, set up the tablet, and then I'll come back again then with another video showing you the next stage of the tablet in use. How do you fancy that? I think I'll do that. So that's what I'll do now. I think I'll end this video now because it's getting on a bit. I've shown you what the tablet looks like out of the box, give you an idea, and I'll carry on now with the setup process, and I'll carry on the rest of it then, showing you how the tablet works, what you can do on it, and things like that in the next video. So I'll finish this one off now and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching.